Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about the exercise 4.3 quadratic equations, grade 10 CBSE. So here the first question is find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, find them. So here the quadratic equation is given 2x square minus 3x plus 5. So here we can see A is coefficient of x square is 2, B is minus 3 and C is given 5. Now we can see, because the nature of the roots depends on the value of discriminant of the quadratic equation, which is called b square minus 4ac. So here we can substitute the minus 3 whole square minus 4, a is given 2 and c is given 5. Now we can simplify. Minus 3 square is 9 and 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 5 is 40. So 9 minus 40 is minus 31. So here we can see discriminant of a quadratic equation is when less than 0. So everybody knows no real root. So here there will be no real roots. No real roots. Why? Because discriminant of the quadratic equation is less than 0. Now we can see question number first, second part. Here we can see 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4. So a is given, coefficient of x square is given 3, the coefficient of x is given minus 4 root 3 and c is given 4. So here we can see the sign of discriminant b square minus 4ac. So b square means minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4, a is 3 and c is given 4. So minus 4 root 3 whole square means minus 4 into minus 4 16 into root 3 into root 3 48 minus 4 4 just 16 into 3 48. So 48 minus 48 is 0. So when the discriminant is equals to 0, everybody knows the roots will be real and equal. And here they are telling when the roots are real, we need to find the roots also. So here you can see if discriminant is equal to 0, so definitely the quadratic equation will be perfect square. So we know that actually the formula of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So I think this, you can see this quadratic equation is, we can write also in this form. How? We can write root 3x minus 2 whole square is equals to 0. If you will expand it, you can see root 3x whole square minus 2 into a root 3x into b 2 plus b square 2 whole square. So when I will expand, it will become 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4. So it will be equivalent to the same equation. So here you can see root 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equals to 2 upon root 3. So it means the roots will be 2 upon root 3 comma 2 upon root 3 in this question number 1 second part. Now we can see the question number first third part. Here we can see the coefficient of x square is 2, coefficient of x is minus 6, b, c is what? 3. So again we can find the discriminant b square minus 4ac. So minus 6 whole square minus 4, a is 2 and c is 3. We can solve 36 minus 6 whole square is 36 and 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 3 is what? 24. So we are getting 36 minus 24, that is 12. It means we can say that the discriminant in this case we are getting greater than 0. So when discriminant is greater than 0, everybody knows the roots will be real and distinct. Now we can find out these roots. So here 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. So either we can apply the quadratic formula or we can apply the factorization method. So we can apply the quadratic formula. So everybody knows the quadratic formula is what? X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus b, it means b is minus 6. So minus b will become plus 6 plus minus b square 36 minus 4ac. So 4a is 2 and c is 3 divided by 2 into 2. Now we can solve. So here it will become 6 plus minus, and if I am solving, so b square minus 4ac value we already got, that is 12. So it will become root 12 divided by 4. Now we can see that 6 plus minus root 12. So root 12 we can also write like that. 6 plus minus and root 12 we can write 2 to the 4, 2 root 3. Yes. root 12 we can write like that. Root 12 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3. So here you can see we are getting pair of 2. So 2 we can take out and we can write like that 2 root 3. So I am writing 2 root 3 divided by 4. I think the whole equation 2 to the 4 and we can divide the whole equation by 2 also. 2 to the 4 and here 2 3 the 6 and this 2 1. So we can say that 3 plus minus root 3 divided by 2. So if I am taking positive sign, so if I will take the positive sign, then roots will be 3 plus root 3 by 2. And if I am taking negative sign, the root will be what? 3 minus root 3 by 2. So this is the solution of question number 1, third part. So these will be the roots. Both roots will be real and distinct. Now we can see the question number second. First part, they are telling find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. So everybody knows in a quadratic equation the roots are equal when discriminant is equals to 0. So discriminant means b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Here we can see a is 2 coefficient of x square, b is given k and c is given 3. Now we can substitute all these values. K whole square minus 4, a is given 2 and c is given 3. So k square and 4 into 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. Minus 24 is equals to 0. So k square is equals to 24. So k is equals to what? Plus minus square root of 24. So we can say that the value of k will be plus minus square root of 24 in this case. Now we can see the second part of question number second. They are telling kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 0. So you can see actually this equation is not given in the standard form of a quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So first we need to write in the standard form so that we can get the coefficient of x square, we can get the coefficient of x, and we can get the constant term. So kx into x, kx square and kx into 2. So minus 2kx plus 6 is equals to 0. So here we can say a is what? K, b means minus 2k, and c means what? C. So here we can say that the discriminant is equals to 0 because both the roots are what? Same, because they have equal roots. So discriminant is equals to 0. So we can substitute it here. B square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Put the value of b minus 2k whole square minus 4. A is k and c is 6. 4k square minus 20. 4k is equals to 0. 4k we can take common. So it will become k minus 6 is equals to 0. So either k will be 0 from here, 4k is equals to 0, or k minus 6 is equals to 0. So k is equals to 0 or k is equal to 6. So everybody knows actually if any quadratic equation is given, so a cannot be equals to 0. It means coefficient of x square. So k is what? Coefficient of x square. This answer we can discard because the value of k cannot be 0. If value of k will become 0, so this will not be a quadratic equation. So we can accept this solution only, k is equals to 6. So that is the answer of question number second part. I think everybody is understanding how to solve this problem.